Hello everyone, this is Gary Sproul at Swordmasters, and one of the things we're going to talk about today is a little bit about the Negrini 3-prong epee socket. Some of you have seen these before, some of you haven't, and I'm just going to point out some of the key features of this particular socket that most people don't see. The first thing what we're going to do is we're going to look at and we're going to say, where are the screws for the actual neck plate? There aren't any. These are actually riveted in so that the actual C-tab here is actually riveted to the actual unit itself. You'll also notice the weighting on these. The weight is actually lighter to here, to the top, and then it breaks down to the center, so you have a center balance. Plus you got the little Negrini tab. But the neck on it is actually spring steel with a silicone in, which makes it real nice going up and down. I get a lot of people that tell me, say, well Gary, sometimes that they don't always fit like a German body cord. Well, they do. So they go on real easy, simple. The next thing you want to look at is, if you look on here, it's kind of tough to see, but you see this little tab right here? In the mold itself, they cut out a tab for the washer. Now, most people think, what's the deal on this? What happens a lot of times is when you're screwing down your wire on this, that washer will twist and it snaps your wire. Negrini's come up with the idea of this tab actually locking into place, so when you go in and you want to put your wire in here, you go up underneath the washer, you wrap it, and then when you're ready to go in and tighten it down, that washer cannot turn. It stays in place. So your A and your B both stay in line. That wire will not come loose. It won't snap from tightening it or over tightening it. Your C line can never come undone because it's actually riveted to it. Your arm will always have a good place for it. Now, those are just some of the key features that make this particular socket a little bit more expensive than the rest. So, I hope everybody's got a better understanding. The wire holes are here, but here in the U.S. we can't use them anymore. So, makes it a moot point. If you got any questions, let us know.